What is up, everybody, boys and girls? I'm actually trying to talk this video because I got some updates. New helmet. Yeah, that's my only update. Sorry. Nah, I'm playing. We're just gonna talk about the bike, what I want to do with it. I mean, the stabilizer, it works. I feel it. So that's working. Just give you guys a cold start. So we're about to go to work. I am mid-shift, so I'm 11 p.m. to 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Oh no! Thank you, bike. You see that shit? Caught it for me. That's why I love this bike, guys. Is this normal? Hold on, I'm gonna show you guys. Let me take off this glove first. So my middle knuckle, right, has been swollen for the past, it's actually gone down, but it used to be bigger, and it was red as shit. I don't know what it is, but this is the only glove right now that feels nice. My other glove, a couple other nights, it's giving me so much pain. Any glove that I put on, it just hurts. And I'm like, what's going on with my hand? Oh, I forgot to turn off my light. What an idiot. Yeah, so I got a new helmet. Shit like that. Little doggy, what are you doing here? It's okay, just go. It's okay. Whose dog is this? Someone lost their dog. Don't worry, buddy. Don't follow me. How has the tune been treating me, guys? It's honestly been really fun. I love the decelerations where you just hear the pops, snap, crackle, pops. Yeah, so I mean, stabilizer works, everything is working fine, I've been listening to this song. You see that shit? You know that Winter Soldier, Captain America, the first intro, right? I've been listening to that when I ride lately. It's so crazy. It's funny. It makes you feel like you're diving straight into the freaking water, just like him. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah, man. So I've been listening to this right when he's like, did he just jump with no parachute? Yeah. Fuck yeah. No fear, bitch. No fear. These Volvos, they're evolving. They're getting nicer. What a beautiful day, man. bump real quick. Sitting like this right now, guys, if y'all can see it, just chilling. It's a nice day, bruh. Shit, man. Guys, also big news. It's my birthday tomorrow, March 12th, and my mother's too. Bro, I'm turning 29, bro. My last year in the 20s, man. It's crazy, bro. It's honestly crazy, man. Like, I could just go straight down. To be honest, I only lane split when it's my mood, bruh. That blue. Only when I'm in the mood, I'll cut it up. I wasn't in the mood back there, but I'm in the mood here though. Just me and the bike. Thank you. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, I knew there's a pebble.